Hi, welcome to another Tile Mart episode. I'm Julie Ireland, an interior design architect and the founder of Home Renovation School. Natural stone is loved for its inherent beauty and style in homes, where it's often used for tiles and countertops. To keep it in tip-top shape, it just takes a little regular maintenance. So today, let's learn how you can maintain and protect your natural stone surfaces to keep them just the way we like them. Gorgeous. Maintaining the natural beauty and integrity of stone surfaces such as granite, marble, limestone, or slate requires understanding your materials and how to care for them. Natural stone, while durable, is also susceptible to damage if it's not properly maintained, which is why it's so important that you know the basics about your stone products. Here are some basic steps to help ensure your stone surfaces stay in top condition for years to come. Sealing is crucial. Most natural stones are porous and can absorb spills, leading to stains or etching. Applying a sealant provides a protective layer, making the stone more resistant to damage. It's important to seal stone surfaces immediately after installation and periodically based on usage and the stone's porosity. For kitchen countertops subjected to daily spills and stains, sealing once a year is a really good rule of thumb, whereas flooring in less trafficked areas might require less frequent sealing. For daily maintenance, gentle cleaning is essential. You want to use a soft cloth or a mop and a stone-specific pH-neutral cleaner to avoid damaging the stone surface. Abrasive cleaners, acidic substances like lemon juice or vinegar, and anything containing ammonia should be avoided as they can etch the stone surface over time. Spills should be blotted up promptly. Never wipe spills, as this can spread the liquid into the stone's pores. And for tougher stains or buildup, resort to products that are specifically formulated for natural stone, following the manufacturer's instructions closely. Protect your stone from physical damage. Use coasters under glasses, particularly those that are containing alcohol or citrus juices, and place trivets under hot dishes to prevent heat damage. Dust mop floors frequently to remove debris that could scratch the stone, and place rugs or mats at entrances to catch dirt. Regular attention to these details will preserve the stone's finish and prevent scratches and etching. To help guide you on selecting your cleaning and sealant products, I've created a free downloadable product list for you to consider. At Tile Mart University, we want you to love your home and understand how to properly maintain the products that you purchase. By adopting these simple care practices, it'll really help you to ensure your natural stone surfaces remain as stunning as the day they were installed, enhancing the beauty and value of your home for years to come. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to stay connected, and we'd love to answer any questions you may have about your products. So email your questions to us at ask@tilemart.com. See you next time.